Hey, how's everyone today? So today's tip I want to share with you has to do with your tires. Now, I don't know if you guys know that there's codes on every tire on the sidewall that tells you some information that's going to be very useful. Okay, a lot of us know as far as like the tread wear, when to replace a tire. But there's also a date on the tire when the tire was made, which is good to know. Especially if you're buying a used car. You kind of want to see if they has like mismatched tires on it. Some are really old, which can definitely change the longevity of the tire. So I'll show you here. I think this code is going to be upside down though, if I remember. Let's see. Yeah, it's right here. See where it says dot? Let me show you on the other side because that one's actually straight up, so you don't have to bend your neck here. Okay, so you see where it says DOT. It stands for Department of Transportation. Okay, it's going to be followed. Let me see if I can get a better angle so you can see it. The next set of numbers right here, the letter and number, that's the manufacturer plant code. Okay. That's going to be the date right there that you want to see. That's going to be the week and the year that the tire was made. So you should be able to check all your tires. More than likely, they're going to be all the same lot, especially a brand new car. So this one, if you look at it, it says week 4, 20. So 2020, when it was made. And the other stuff, the codes that right before that is a manufacturer identity number. So if there's like a recall on certain tires, that's how they can track them, by that code right there. That has to do with them. So that won't really make any sense. But the last one's the most important. Has the week and the date, or the year, sorry. So that's important. Like I said, buying a new car, and don't really have to worry about it. But if you buy a used car, you might want to check that. I mean, you could have tires on there that are 6 years old on a car, but the car might be really new. So that might give you a little heads up of what's going on. You know, the tires might not be that safe because a lot of that, they have expiration dates on tires. Not only just the tread, but just the general build of it only lasts so long, even if you never drive on the tire. So that's good to know. A little tip for you guys, if you didn't already know. So again, nothing major here, but just some useful information, especially if you're in the used car market. Definitely remember that. Just check them out. You know, stuff like that will definitely save you in the long run. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.